Jing Filter Press Group Limited is a specialized manufacturer, vendor, and service provider of pressure filters, which has the world's most comprehensive specifications and largest production output. The company is responsible for the drafting and revision of standards for separation machinery throughout China. It's the primary drafter of national standards for pressure filters and filter plates, and is a key high-tech enterprise of the National Torch Plan. Among different types of pressure filter products, Jing's are the only ones that have been recognized as a famous Chinese trademark by the State Administration for Industry and Commerce of the People's Republic of China, and the Jing's trademark is protected by Madrid International Trademark Registration. Jing entered the pressure filter industry in 1988 and has stuck by its development concepts of streamlining, innovation, and speed ever since. Starting from 2004, the company's production capacity was the largest worldwide for 8 consecutive years. It possesses independently developed intellectual property rights and sells to 123 countries and regions, including the European Union, America, the Russian Federation, Japan, Brazil, South Africa, and Australia. Jing is divided into 17 sales regions nationwide and employs more than 500 professional sales and technical personnel. The company can also guarantee arrival to the client within 18 hours. It has 45 professional agents and service providers abroad and is able to satisfy the needs of clients from different regions and industries. Jing is an industry leader in production technology. It has adopted advanced, large-scale production, which means that the average thickness of membrane filters is less than 0.3 millimeters. Furthermore, its surface finish represents the highest levels in the industry. Using Jing's specialized formula, the company has increased the high temperature, pressure, and corrosion resistance of filter plates and membrane filters, which has improved the lifespan of filters by 2.6 times. Through special equipment processing such as the sealing of the filter plate surface, liquid entry and exit apertures, and backwashing channels, Jing has made its products even more suitable for the filter requirements of different industries. Thanks to continual improvements, a product range of polypropylene high-pressure diaphragm plates from 200 type to 3200 type of many different forms and specifications has been created with a tympanic pressure of 4.0 megapascals, which represents the most advanced technology levels in the world. Jing has also developed various types of special filter plates suitable for use by different industries. Jing filter cylinders employ 27 silicon manganese steel that has undergone special welding, and the lifespan of piston rods has been increased 5 times through IF quenching and hard chrome plating. The filter hose, joints, and sealing ring make use of world-class branded products, and processing by world-class brands guarantees that there is no leakage in the pressure filter systems. Jing was the first manufacturer to employ putty-free technology in the manufacture of its pressure filters, which allows it to save several tons of putty every year. All necessary painted parts are subject to high-speed centrifugal blasting, which not only eliminates rust but also reduces welding stress. The use of an iron primer spray cloud and acrylic polyurethane finish improves paint adhesion and corrosion resistance of the pressure filter, whilst also saving resources and protecting the environment. Jing operates according to energy-saving and environmental concepts and gives protecting the environment a priority at every stage of production. Its 10,000 yuan GDP energy consumption established a new industry record worldwide and means that Jing has become an energy-saving, environmentally friendly enterprise. Jing has a strong technical R&D force and boasts the only postdoctoral research station in the pressure filter industry. For more than 20 years, Jing has consistently focused on the R&D, production, and applications of pressure filters. In total, it has released 135 new products and obtained 63 effective patents, among which 3 are international patents and 11 are domestic patents. Of the 13 key technical indicators for pressure filters, Jing boasts 11 which can be classified as world-class. Over the last 2 years, through exhibitions with companies from Europe, America and Japan, in America, Germany, Brazil and Australia, and following comparison of the effectiveness with the same foreign clients, Jing pressure filters have become one of the world's top filter brands and have attracted the attention of the world. In order to satisfy the needs of clients from different industries, Jing created an experimental center for liquid-solid separation and purchased advanced international filter testing and investigation equipment. Using small-scale filters to mimic the on-site production technology of the filters, the company carries out equipment selection and R&D for filter technology for new industries. The filtration cloth is an important filter medium of the compression filter, and Jing's filter cloth workshops have more than 100 different types of pore sizes and shapes, with different types of filter cloth material and specifications for the clients to choose from in order to achieve the highest filtration efficiency. Jing has ceaselessly expanded the fields of use of its pressure filters. The water content of clay used in paper production is less than 32%, and the water content of tap water, mud, and river salt is less than 43%. The water content of municipal mud is less than 50%, meaning that the company has been successful in making pollutants into clean water and converting sludge into a resource. During treatment such as coal washing, non-ferrous metals, acetylene sludge, alumina red mud, and various types of gun, there is single-cycle production of 21 cubic cakes for the JFP environmentally friendly high-efficiency pressure filters. There are 7 to 9 cycles per hour of work, and the water content of filter cakes is 8 to 20%. Jing has also invented energy-saving, high-efficiency membrane filter presses for the backwash filter cake industry, which use 30 to 35% less water content than washing for European compression filters, whilst also saving 50 to 65% less time during washing. Titanium dioxide, silica pigment, paint, dye, pharmaceuticals, foodstuffs, and dry red mud, the company occupies 72% of the global market and saves thousands of tons of emissions each year. Jing has core manufacturing technology for pressure filters, and it has served tens of thousands of users over more than 20 years. It has also accumulated a wealth of experience regarding the use of its products. If you choose Jing will provide professional, high-value filter technology services. Jing pressure filters are a kind of separation machinery equipment. Not only can they be used over more than 10 years, but more importantly, during this time, they will ceaselessly create value for you, enhancing the quality of your enterprise. A brand is not just selected by an organization, but rather is chosen by the consumer using their own money. Jing's high-value, world-class products serve the world's solid or liquid separation industries. Whether it was the small factory that we started off from, or the large-scale conglomerate that we are today, Jing has always committed itself to improving the working environment of employees. We don't just want to provide a position for employees and give them with their ideal salary. We want them to receive physical and mental benefits and create a comfortable work atmosphere which makes them really feel that working in Jing has improved their quality of life. Jing has also created the Home of Love Foundation to help the families of Jing employees who find themselves in difficulty, and to help the families of Jing employees who have disabled children. Jing also often holds sports activities and competitions to show the enthusiasm of the company's employees and enhance their team spirit. Your smile is our promise. Jing compressors think of everything for you. We will always be your best friend.